You probably clicked on this video because you have no idea what to sell on Etsy, or maybe you've tried multiple products, but nothing has really taken off. When I was new, I thought I needed to offer t-shirts, coffee mugs, mock-ups, tumbler wraps, the whole nine. But when I finally niched down, I was able to grow my shop into the top 1% of sellers while working a very demanding full-time corporate job. That's why today I'm giving you 5 digital product ideas that are between 1 and 3 months old and already blowing up. And one of them is making over $8,200 a month. So without any further ado, let's get into it. We're going to begin with t-shirt PNGs. The listing that I have here, it is a bestseller and 6 people bought it in the last 24 hours. Now, before I move on, keep in mind that anytime you see that, know that that information comes directly from Etsy. Now, looking at the actual design, it's very well done. I love how it's black and white. It has that bit of distressing on it. And the quote is hilarious. Now I'm going to click the blue Analyze Listing button to get a bit more context and a bit more data. I will be using Everbee to analyze all of the numbers and the data today. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know I love Everbee. It's one of my go-to research tools. If you want to try it out for free, I'll have it linked below in the description for you. Okay, we can see here that we have a 3-month-old listing, which in the Etsy world, a 3-month-old listing is a new listing. This month, it has had over 300 orders, bringing in over $1,000 in revenue, which is incredibly impressive. But hang with me because I got some other ones I'm going to show you that are doing even better. Now I want to check out the tag section to see if we can get even more information. Okay, and one tag that stood out to me is snarky humor designs with 203 monthly searches, only 3,000 competition, and a high keyword score from Everbee of 70. And for digital product idea number 2, we have a Canva template. This one in particular, though, is a bit different than what I typically see. It's a couple magazine template, and I think it's brilliant. I love how they have it presented and packaged, and I'm not shocked that it has that bestseller badge on the top left. And on the top right, it's in over 20 cards. We're going to click the Analyze Listing button to get a bit more information from Everbee. And we can see here that we have a 2-month-old listing. So even newer than digital product idea number 1. This month alone, it's had over 100 orders, bringing in over $2,000 in revenue this month. We're going to move down to the tag section to get a bit more information. And they have really good tags here. They have Couples Magazine with 75 searches per month with only 900 competition and a keyword score of 80 per Everbee. And that is a really good keyword score. But then it gets a little bit better. We have Couple Photo Book with over 700 searches per month, only 4,400 competition, and a high keyword score of 160. When you have really good titles, tags, and a great design that has been niched down, you have a better chance of doing well. I want to show you something though before we move on. Coming back to the listing detail tab, I want to click shop details, and Everbee is showing us that we have a new shop. It is only a 6-month-old shop, and that is so new. And it's only got 15 listings. So that just goes to show you that A, you don't need to be on the platform for 3, 4, 5 years in order to do well. And B, you don't need to have the pressure of adding hundreds and thousands of items to your shop. Let's move into digital product number 3. But before we do that, I wanted to let you know that I created a free download for you. I compiled a list of 25 digital products that you can begin selling today to help get you started and give you some inspiration. If you want to grab your free copy, go ahead and leave the word digital below in the comment section, and I'll make sure I get that over to you. Okay, and for digital product number 3, we have a digital planner, but not just any digital planner. It is an ADHD digital planner, and that's been niched down to a particular customer. That way it doesn't feel so generic. A person with ADHD will feel that was made for them, and that'll hopefully encourage them to want to purchase from you. Top left, we have that bestseller badge. Top right, check that out. 23 people have bought this item in the last 24 hours. We're going to click the Analyze Listing button. And Everbee shows us that, again, we have a 2-month-old listing, bringing in $3,394 in revenue this month. In the 2-month lifetime of the listing, it's had over 400 orders. Again, a new listing bringing in that much revenue and gaining that much traction so early on because they have it niched down. I want to show you something really cool with this one too. I'm going to scroll down here to the trend graph and I want to click all time to show us that this item has made $4,858 in revenue in only a 2-month period. How cool is that? We're going to check out the tag section. And they've got some really good tags here. We have 2026 digital planner with over 1,900 searches per month and only 2,800 competition, which that blows my mind. And that's no shocker why we have a keyword score of 690. Then we have 2025, 2026 planner with over 2,100 searches per month, only 8,100 competition, and a keyword score of 270. I feel like this listing is a really good reminder to get ahead for the upcoming year. Let's hop into digital product number 4. We have a retro leopard wall art bundle. I love the color palette, how each design complements the other. It all comes together very well, and I'm not shocked again that we have that bestseller badge in the top left, top right. 2 people bought the item in the last 24 hours. We're going to check out the analytics. And we can see here from Everbee that we have a 2-month-old listing. This month, it has had 343 sales, which is incredible. And it has brought in over $5,100 in revenue this month alone. In the 2-month lifetime of the listing, it's had 417 orders. Let's move down to the tag section to get even more information. And they've got some really good ones here. They have leopard poster set with 173 searches per month, not even 1,000 competition. That is no competition, and that's why we have that keyword score of 180 from Everbee. Then we have leopard wall art set with over 200 searches per month, only 3,100 competition, and a keyword score of 70, which is really good. And if you're enjoying the niches that we covered so far, you're going to love my Done For You Niche Club, where each week you'll get fresh, low competition niches that I've already researched for you, along with the AI image prompts to help get you started, and that way you're not stuck wondering what to sell. I've also got other downloadable resources to help you along the way and grow faster. We also have a live call each month where you can ask me anything. Check out the first link below in the description to check out what was dropped this week. Digital product idea number 5 is really cool. I'm excited to show it to you. We have a crochet pattern, but it's been niched down to be a turtle crochet pattern and niched down even further to be an interactive sensory toy crochet pattern. So I like how they have it presented. I like how they have it packaged. And it's not just a random crochet pattern. They've niched it down multiple times. And that is why they have that bestseller badge on the top left, top right. 10 people bought the item in the last 24 hours. Pulling up the analytics, we have a 2-month-old listing. This month, it has had 544 sales in 1 month, and that is why it is bringing in $8,214 this month in revenue. That is the power of niching down and not being broad and generic. In the 2-month lifetime, it's had 970 orders. Let's move down to the tag section. But before we do that, I did want to look at the all-time revenue for this one. In a 2-month period, it has brought in over $14,000 in revenue. Okay, now we're going to go down to the tag section. And they had a couple here that caught my eye. We have crochet sensory with over 400 searches per month, only 4,400 competition, and a high keyword score of 100. Then I wanted to show you this one, calming toy, with over 400 searches per month, only 10,000 competition, and a keyword score of 50. I do always recommend that when you're new or you're trying to get your shop off the ground to stay under 15,000 competition, but it's not a black and white rule, it's more of a guide. So they've got really good tags here. They have a great product and it is earning over $8,200 a month. And don't forget that if you want to grab your free guide of 25 digital products that you can begin selling today, to go ahead and leave the word digital below in the comment section and I'll get that over to you. And if you'd rather skip all of the research and going down that rabbit hole, check out the first link below in the description to join my Done For You Niche Club. And if you want even more digital product ideas, the video on your screen right here is 5 more low competition, unsaturated digital products. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.